Today I'm going to show you how to do a ponytail and then on into a bun, which would be great for our shows and our exams. Martha is going to let me do her hair for it today. So what we've done already is we've taken a very simple gel, any cheap gel or expensive gel, and we've already applied it all on top of Martha's head like this to try and get their hair malleable. Then take a brush and try and brush it all back into a lovely slicked back style ponytail. Gather the hair up, just a little on the side of the ear, a little higher than the ear. Take the pony band. The hair colour bands would be the best, but not to worry if you haven't, but they do match the hair tone. Obviously wind it round and get it super tight, and then we pull it tight. If you've made a few little bumps like I have, you can just smooth those back into the ponytail as such. There we are. That's lovely. Now we've got this lovely slicked back ponytail and all underneath as well, so it's all into the ponytail. That would be your ponytail for the show if there was a modern dance or something like that. You can use a spray to just bring up the wisps and bring them back so there's no loose bits. Moving on into the bun. Martha, pop your head down for me a little bit. You take the hair that's here and you wind it round. And I sort of think of it as a Danish pastry, a shoe bun. And you use this kind of pin, which is a hair pin, not a hair grip. And you pin into the hair and into the head. Hope I'm not hurting. And you go round. It doesn't take long really, once you've got the hang of it. Don't worry about all these little loose bits here, because they are going to be caught in the net. So we're just popping those in now just to keep it stable. And we take a fine net, there's bun nets or this is a hair net, and you just wind it over the bun. You might have to round it round a couple of times if it's a slightly larger one. Just goes round and round. There we are. Now obviously you then need more pins to make it secure onto the head. So we would go over again and make sure we've really secured the hair. The bun is on the head. There we are, all the way around. I don't need to put lots and lots of pins in today because this is just a demonstration, but if Martha was going to go on the stage now, you'd want that really tight onto her head so she could wiggle her head, and obviously if it's really secure that would be great. Finishing off, pushing it back again, making sure all those edges are smooth. You can use more gel, you can spray it again. If you feel you've got any loose bits, this is where the Kirby grip is really good, because the Kirby grip can come back and just catch any little loose ends. Just pin them in there, and if they're all the hair coloured, you wouldn't see this from the stage. And that's a very nice bun for an exam or our show. Thank you very much. There you go, that was easy. It was easy, wasn't it?